Soundstripe.
Hi guys, welcome back to Circle Saturday, and today I am doing a voiceover of this video how to make a snood. A snood is an infinity scarf and you're going to use Ankara fabric and a fleece fabric to make. So to cut, you're going to cut both fabrics 31 inches on fold, that makes it 62 by 11 inches, and these measurements include seam allowance. So you're going to cut for both. Here I was making two snoods, that's why we have two different Ankara fabrics. The next step, you're going to attach them together, right sides facing each other. Then you're going to hold with a pin from the top all the way to the end, the longer side. Then you're going to take it to your machine and stitch about 1/2 inch. Here I have already attached it 1/2 inch on the sides, as you can see in the video. The next step, you're going to interchange it inside out, so the inside part is going to be on the outside. Next, you're going to attach now the openings, the ones that have remained, Ankara to Ankara, fleece to fleece, first securing the sides. I used a pin to hold the fabric together because stitching this part is going to be a little bit tricky, but it is doable. Just make sure that you're stitching slowly. Also, as you're stitching, you're going to leave a gap for about 3 inches on the Ankara side. Stitch at around 1/2 inch all the way through, remembering that you're leaving about 3 inches on the Ankara side. That is how the fleece side is going to look like, beautifully sealed inside. And then you're going to top stitch that opening of the Ankara side to close it, just the Ankara side, not the fleece side, so that you can close that gap up. Then check to make sure that there is no opening, and then you give it a good press and you are done.